Flaxseed pudding, gluten and dairy-free. Dr. John A. Allocca. August 4, 25. www.allocca.com. Endorsed by Chef Pucci. See recipe in the comment section. Ingredients: 1½ cup organic flaxseed meal, ½ cup organic flax seeds, 3 cups flaxseed milk, 1/4 cup organic honey or organic maple syrup, 1 teaspoon organic cinnamon. Mix all ingredients in a bowl. Pour into a 55 ounces (6.9 cups) container and refrigerate for at least 2 hours. Serve with coconut and fruit on top. This recipe is rich in anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids similar to EPA/DHA fish oil. Chef Pucci and Dr. John wish you health and happiness. Buon appetito! Visit www.allocca.com for more recipes and information on essential health. Unlock your physical and mental wellness potential.